Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Joyland, there were two little princesses named Lily and Rose. They were not just sisters. They were the best of friends. One sunny day, the princesses decided to explore the enchanted forest near their castle. As they ventured deeper, they stumbled upon a mysterious clearing where a wise old owl perched on a branch. The owl spoke, "Dear princesses, I have a magical challenge for you. Each of you will be given a small magical seed. Plant it with love and care, and something wonderful will grow." Excited, Lily and Rose each received a tiny, shimmering seed. They hurried back to the castle, ready to see the magic unfold. Lily planted her seed in a golden pot and watered it every day. She sang sweet lullabies to her seed and spoke words of encouragement. In no time, a beautiful garden of vibrant flowers blossomed, filling the castle with colour and fragrance. On the other hand, Rose, in her eagerness, planted her seed in a dark corner of the castle and forgot about it. Days passed, and the poor seed struggled to grow without sunlight and care. One day, the wise old owl returned to check on the princesses. Lily proudly showed off her flourishing garden, while Rose sadly admitted her neglect. The owl gently said, "Dear Rose, every seed needs love, attention, and patience to grow. Just like friendships and dreams, they require nurture." To everyone's surprise, the neglected seed slowly began to sprout. With time, it transformed into a magnificent tree, spreading its branches wide and tall. The two little princesses learned a valuable lesson that day, that love, patience, and care are the keys to making something beautiful grow. From then on, Lily and Rose tended to their garden and tree together, understanding the magic of nurturing not only plants, but also the bonds of sisterhood. And so, in the kingdom of Joyland, the castle bloomed with colourful flowers and stood beneath the shade of a majestic tree, a reminder of the two little princesses who discovered the true magic of love and friendship.